Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we will see the binomial distribution problem. In this problem, we use the formula that probability x equal to r success is equal to NCR into P raise r into Q raise n minus r. Here, the level of question is quite difficult. Now let's see how I am going to solve it in simply manner. The question is, a machine has 14 identical components that function independently. It will stop working if 3 or more components fail. If the probability that a component fails is equal to 0.1, then find the probability that the machine will be working. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we denote x as a number of failed components. Then probability failed component that equal to p, and that is given as 0.1. Therefore, p equal to, now 0.1 can be written as 1 upon 10. Since we have p plus q is equal to 1, from that we get q equal to 1 minus p. Therefore, q equal to 1 minus 1 by 10. On cross multiplying, we get q equal to 9 upon 10. Now in question, a machine has 14 identical components. It means here the number of trial n is equal to 40. And therefore, in that case, a random variable x follows binomial distribution with parameter np, and that equivalent to x follows binomial distribution. For n we substitute 14, and for p we substitute 1 by 10. Then the probability mass function of x is given by probability x equal to r is equal to NCR into P raise r into Q raise n minus r. R takes value from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Therefore, probability x equal to r is equal to, for n we substitute 14, so we get 14 CR into 1 upon 10 raise r into 9 upon 10 raise n minus r, comma R takes value 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Now let's see the question. In question, we have to find probability that the machine will be working. Now in question, they clearly mention that it will stop working if 3 or more components fail. So therefore, probability in bracket the machine will be working that equal to probability x should be less than 3. It means probability x equal to 0 plus probability x equal to 1 plus probability x equal to 2. Now first we find probability x equal to 0. So that is 14C0 1 upon 10 raise 0 and 9 upon 10 raise 14 minus 0 plus. Now we find probability x equal to 1. So that can be written as 14C1 1 upon 10 raise 1 and 9 upon 10 raise 14 minus 1 plus. Then we find that probability x equal to 2. So that gives 14C2 1 upon 10 raise 2 into 9 upon 10 raise 14 minus 2. So on further simplifying, that 14C0 gives 1, 1 upon 10 raise 0 gives 1, so we left with 9 upon 10 raise 14 plus 14C1 that gives 14, then 1 upon 10 raise 1, so that gives 1 upon 10 into 9 upon 10 raise 14 minus 1, it means 13 plus. Now 14C2 means 14 into 13 upon 2 into 1 into 1 upon 10 the whole square into 9 upon 10 whole bracket raise 14 minus 2 gives 12. So that equal to, here we have 1 into 1 into 9 raise 14 upon 10 raise 14 plus. Now here in the numerator we have 14 into 9 raise 13 upon 10 raise 1 into 10 raise 13. So that gives totally, by using indices rule, 10 raise 14. Then plus. Here we go for cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. So 13 into 7, so that gives 91 into 9 raise 12 upon 10 raised to into 10 raised 12. So by using indices rule, we get 10 raised 2 plus 12, that is 40. So here we take 9 upon 12, 9 raised 12 upon 10 raised 14 common. So we get 9 raised 12 upon 10 raised 14 in bracket. We have 9 square plus 14 into 9 plus 91 into 1, and finally the bracket complete. So on simplifying further, we get 9 raised 12 upon 10 raised 14 in bracket. Now 9 square gives us 81 plus 14 into 9 gives 126 plus 91 into 1, that is 91. So that equal to 9 raised 12 upon 10 raised 14 into, now here 1 plus 6 7 plus 1 8, then 8 plus 2 10 plus 9, that is 19, carry 1, and 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we get totally 298. So this calculation is quite difficult, but by using log table we can make it simple as possible. So this I can write log 9 raised 12, then plus log of 298, and then minus log of 10 raised 40. By using exponent rule of logarithm, this can be written as 12 into log of 9 plus log of 298 we write as it is, and then minus 14 into log of 10. Again here we are using exponent law of logarithm. Then we write 12 as it is, then into. So here by using log table we have to find the value of log 9. Since here only one decimal, so characteristics is 0 point. Then log 9, that we can find 90 under 0. So 90 under 0 gives 9542. So it means we get 0.9542 plus. Now here 298, it means there are totally 3 digits. So the characteristics is 2 point. Now we have to find 29 under 8. So log of 29 under 8 is 4742. So it means we get 2.4742. Then minus 14 into. Now we have to find the log of 10. So there are 2 digits numbers. The characteristics should be 1 point. Then 10 under 0 we get 0, 0, 0, 0. So it means the log 10 gives us 1.0000. It means simply 1. So that equal to, now the 0.9542 on multiplying with 12 we get 12 into 2, that 24, carry 2, 12 fours are 48, plus 2, so that gives 50, carry 5, 12 5s are 60, plus 5, 65, carry 6, 12 9s are 108, plus 6, so that gives 114. Now here we have to put the decimal after 4 digit. It means 11.4504 plus we write 2.4742 as it is, and then minus 14 into 1.0000, so that gives us 14.0000. Now this, on simplifying further, we get, so that equal to, now here we go for addition, that 2 plus 4 gives us 6, then 4 plus 0, that is 4, then 5 plus 7 gives 12, 2 carry 1, next 4 plus 4, 8, and carry 1 gives 9, then we put decimal, and then 11 plus 2, so that gives us 30. Then minus 14.0000. Now 6 minus 0, that is 6, 4 minus 0, 4, 2 minus 0, 2, 9 minus 0, that is 9, then put 13 minus 14, so we get minus 1, it means bar 1. So finally this is equal to anti-log of bar 1.9246, that equal to. Now by using anti-log table, we have to see 92 under 4, 92 under 4, that gives 8395, and the mean difference is 6, so that gives 11. So 8395 plus 11. On adding these two, we get 5 plus 1 6, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, so we get 8406. Now before decimal we have bar 1, so it means we have to write only one 0. So the answer is 0.8406. And therefore probability x less than 3 is equal to 0.8406. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.